In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Smartsheet. Whether you are new to Smartsheet or just need a refresher, this guide will help you quickly access the sheets you own or those shared with you. Let's start by navigating to your sheets. When you open Smartsheet, you will see a left-hand sidebar, which serves as your main navigation panel. To access this sidebar, look out for an icon that resembles a folder or is labeled Home. Click on this browse icon, and you'll find yourself on a page designed to help you manage and organize your work effectively. The browse icon is your gateway to all of your data stored within Smartsheet. It provides an efficient way to find exactly what you need, especially when you have multiple sheets, dashboards, and reports to monitor. So, once you've clicked on that icon and entered the browsing area, you'll want to locate the option labeled Sheets. This is where all the magic happens. By selecting the Sheets option, you will be presented with a comprehensive list of all sheets that you either own or that others have shared with you. This list is very user-friendly and includes not just the standard sheets, but also any dashboards or reports you might have access to. It's a powerful way to manage everything in one place, giving you a bird's-eye view of all your work in the Smartsheet environment. It's handy to remember that this list can become quite extensive, especially if you're working with a large team or juggling multiple projects. Therefore, it might be useful to become familiar with the filtering and search functionalities Smartsheet offers to make finding the right sheet a breeze. With these tools, you can quickly pinpoint the exact sheet or report you're looking for without having to scroll endlessly. Simply input keywords or use filters to narrow down your options. To optimize your Smartsheet experience, take a moment to explore these features. Being organized in how you access and store your sheets will save you time and effort in the long run. As an additional tip, consider color coding or categorizing your sheets into folders if you anticipate frequent usage. That way, your work process remains uncluttered, quick, and stress-free. Once again, getting accustomed to using the browse icon is key to unlocking the full potential of Smartsheet. It's the first step in ensuring you can monitor and manage your projects effectively within the software. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how much more organized and productive your workflow can become. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide valuable in navigating your Smartsheet environment. Stay organized and keep leveraging Smartsheet to simplify how you manage your projects.